what I'm gonna go ahead and show you today is how to make some tinga. So what we have here is some shredded three shredded chicken breasts. We have half a purple onion, and I already cut it, so you can go ahead and I'll show you right now. And we have some salt and then some chipotle sauce. So once you already have your chicken shredded, you're gonna put it to the side. And from whenever you boil the chicken, make sure you don't throw it out and just place it in your blender. So you're gonna go ahead and place it in your blender, and that includes so how I boil the chicken is I put the chicken, so like I said, I use 3 chicken breasts. So I put 3 chicken breasts in a pot. I put half of the purple onion and then 3 garlics and some salt. So I have that, whatever was the remainder, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the chipotle sauce. And you can get the sauce, the actual sauce, or you could get the chunky one. The chunky one's fine. And then we're gonna go ahead and blend it. Okay. Put that to the side. And then in the back, I already have my pot. You can go ahead and put let it heat up just a little bit until we blend this up. Once you blend it up, you're gonna go ahead and check it to see if it's missing or it's lacking salt. We're gonna go ahead and okay, it seems pretty good to me. So we're gonna go ahead. What we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and put oil in the pot and let it get hot. Okay, because we're gonna go ahead and fry these onions until they're translucent. Okay, so yeah, guys. So our pot is already hot. What we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and put our onions, the half of an onion. Okay. Oh, and I put 2 tablespoons of oil in here. And we're just gonna go ahead and fry them till they're translucent. And then we'll be ready. And look something like this. Now we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna go ahead and add the chicken. And make sure your hands are washed, okay? You're gonna add the chicken. And then we're gonna go ahead and add your sauce. And you're just gonna go ahead and let it simmer for about, I would say about 2 to 3 minutes, and then your chicken or your tinga, I should say, is gonna be ready. So we're just gonna go ahead and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll be ready. Okay, all right, guys. So once you let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and prepare it already. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and use some tostadas. You can go ahead and have tostadas, or you can have nacho chips, whatever you prefer. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken on here.
Wait. Let's see.
So here's one, and then here's the second one. And then you can go ahead and put your avocados, and then your lettuce, and then guac, and then that video is gonna go ahead and be in the description below.
The link.
The link will be on the description below.
Mm-hmm.
And after that, that's it. You know, but you can also put crema. You can go ahead and put, what is it called? Mexican cheese or whatever type of cheese that you want. Guac, lettuce.
It's almost like a nacho to go.
Yeah.
Technically.
But if you go ahead and try this recipe out, just go ahead and leave me a comment below. And see you next time. Peace.